Welcome to lesson where we're going to learn about the basic loft. When you open File, you're going to see 4 sketches in the graphic area. Now let's activate the lofted boss base command. First, I'm going to select the first profile and a second profile for the loft. Here's my preview. If you don't see the preview, ensure that Show Preview is checked under Options. Now let's talk about start and end constraints. For the start constraint, let's select Normal to Profile. A magenta handle appears. We can grab and drag it up and down to adjust the loft. We can also enter a tangent length value manually right here in this input box. Tab to register. Let's select Normal to Profile for the end constraint as well. If the magenta vector points in the wrong direction, just click the Reverse Tangent Direction button. Another option for the start and end constraint is Direction Vector. Let's select this line as our vector. And as you see, I don't have a preview now. This means that SOLIDWORKS can't calculate my request. Let's reverse the direction. And here's our preview. Let's change the end constraint to Direction Vector as well. And let's accept our work. Loft 1 appears in the design tree. Let's right-click and select Edit Feature. I'm going to add one more profile to my loft. Under Start Constraint, let's use None. And here is my preview. Notice the big green dots in the graphic area. These are called connector handles. We can adjust them manually right in the graphic area. Also, if you right-click, you get contextual options relating to the connectors. Add, Show, Hide, Show All, Reset, Undo, etc. Let's accept. And here is our loft. Of course, if you want to edit, just right-click on the node, select Edit Feature. Let's move the connector a little bit. Or we can right-click, for example, and hide the connector. And let's restore that connector. Let's cancel out of the Property Manager. And this concludes our lesson about the basic loft.